Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now here we are at Dollar Tree and I am at the front of the store where the seasonal stuff is. So let's walk around to see what they have. So now this is a quick reminder of my collaboration called Decorate a Lantern, and it's for August 29 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So guys, let's have a good time decorating and styling our lanterns. I cannot wait. And this is the fall edition, so I will be bringing it back for Christmas. So let me go ahead and mention the other collaborations. So on Tuesdays, and this is a weekly collab, it's at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's called Tablescape Tuesdays. And that you want to jot down and you don't want to miss it. Now every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Courtney and I host Sophisticated Saturdays, and we are called the Ladies of Elegance. Now remember to go over to our community tab so that you can get the details on all of these collaborations. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.